Everyone, today we are going to discuss about the financial management. As we all know, as a basic component of the business, its financial management is most important for a business to make it profitable. Managing the financial management properly makes the clear budgeting of the company and makes the company profitable. Each and every company makes the finance department to be at the exact to be making it makes the financial management to be in the correct order so that the errors cannot be made through. The finance management concludes with the budgeting of the product that we make and the purchasing of the product and many such things that we will be discussing in further. Our friend Jayanti will be continuing it in further.
Every company will have capital, and that capital has to be effectively utilized. It has to be utilized in such a manner that there are no crumbs left or there are no wastages. So in today's case study, we'll be discussing some of the important terms used in financial management. As we all know what is capital, how important capital is it. That's where we go with capital budgeting. So capital budgeting deals with the day-to-day activities, how finance or how capital has to be organized, it has to be accumulated, how it has to be put further, so that what happens, it can be eventually helping an organization in achieving its core competencies. Secondly, if we discuss about what is working capital, so yes, we will be focusing on profit maximization as well as wealth maximization. On one hand, profit maximization talks about the short period of the time, whereas the wealth maximization will talk about the long duration of the organization, like talking about the assets like machinery, building, land, and several other things. So in order to have such kind of things, there should be a huge amount of amount which has to be reserved in order to take care of the day-to-day basis, like day-to-day activities, like if there is any repair in the machinery, or we have to provide salaries, incentives, or the day-to-day requirement, that has to be effectively handled. Because if the day-to-day activities or if the day-to-day requirements are not met, then the continuous progress of the organization will be scheduling off. That is where we have the importance of working capital, which deals about the day-to-day activities. As we discussed about two major concepts. One is capital budgeting, how effectively capital can be utilized, and second thing, furtherly, I'll have my friends where they'll be discussing more on the financial management and its key concepts.
So let us discuss what is financial management. No, like financial management is not about like where I put my money. So is my money going for profit or loss? It is something apart from it. Like how do I manage my money? So what are the use of my money? Where should I use my money? There are like a lot of different things happens in financial management. If your company is not good at financially managing all your credits and liabilities, they may face into more bad debts and they may get financially lost, as well as they may face many other difficult problems, as well as financial management, it makes you more money supply into your business. Rather than wasting it, you can use the inflation and the deflation amount and comparatively use it wisely in a business. And therefore, financial management is it's not about fully about corporate or your business lifestyle. It's also for your personal lifestyle too. And therefore, where should I manage my money? Like you'll get a question, where should I manage my money? So how much should I manage my money? So how much should I save? How much should I investment? Everything comes under financial management. If a person is not worthy enough to manage his wealth, he may not succeed in his life.
So financial management, our friends, everyone spoke a lot about it, so I'll just conclude it. So financial management is nothing but amount of money, how you are going to spend in future, save, as well as where you are supposed to invest, so that you will get a profit from that, you will get an income from that. This is what is called financial management. So financial management in a company, how should you do? You must invest a small amount, start a business in a small level, then gradually you have to improve it. As soon as you cannot invest so much in a company and come on very big in the starting stage. Starting stage, wherever you go with a higher profit, where you raise so quickly, it's a sign that you will fall very quick. So this is the main part in business. As we all know, risk is part and parcel of business. We don't know when risks arise. So when we have financial management in our company, what will we think about? What are the main things you have to think is, first, your salary or wages that you give your employees working in your company. Second thing is, if you're renting the land, the rent that you have to pay. Third thing, if have any machineries, you have to invest in your machineries. Electricity bill, all this has to be taken care of when you invest or when you get something. Obviously, no one will put full of cash from their hand. It will be loans from the banks, financial institutions. So a person, for his development or his well-being of his career as well as his personal life, as Sabarish said, it is important to have a financial management. How much of amount you will save, how much of amount you will invest, how much of amount you invest, so that from that investment you get an income in your day-to-day life. Thank you.